Pam here from Creative Homescaping, where I bring you videos on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. Today I'm going to be participating in a collab or challenge entitled Thrift Store Flip, being hosted by Crafty Kitty and Holiday Cookie Diva. There were only 2 rules for this challenge. One was that you had to purchase a thrift store item for less than $10. You could go and purchase a new one, or it could be one you previously purchased. And then you had to revamp that item to fit the style of your decor. So today I am going to show you how I revamped this object to look like this so that I could use it as a tray to hold items in my entryway. So stay tuned. Here's a look at the before. It was a painting in a plastic frame. The frame had some gold ornate details on it. The main part of the frame was cream. The center part is just a print on a piece of cardboard or pressboard that is stapled to the back of the frame. You'll see I purchased this for $1.99 at my Goodwill Keeper store, which is where they put some of their better items. And I'm showing here it's just stapled on, so you can't put anything heavy on this, but it will work well for holding keys. Here's a look at the supplies I used. In addition to these that are shown here, I did use a fine detail brush. And here I'm starting my chalk painting. Here's a look at me painting in the crevices with the fine detail brush. Here's the finished product. I had to use several coats of the chalk paint in order to cover up all of the detail work and all of the print on the base of what is now a tray. I used the fine detail brush to get into all of the crevices, both with the chalk paint and with the wax. And then I buffed it with a clean dry cloth. Here's a look at the underside of the tray. I did paint the sides since they will show, but I did not paint the base. I did try to paint the edge of the base as best as I could, but it doesn't really show once the tray is sitting upright. And here's a look at the tray being used for its intended purpose as a key holder. This is where I'll be using my tray in the front entry. I hope you enjoyed watching me revamp my thrift store item into a tray for use in my entryway. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I try to post videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I often post videos on other days as well. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.